Hey guys, it's been a while, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing and first look, not really a product review, but first look / product review, and it's going to start right after this. So you kind of can see it here. It's the HUSKY 3-door portable 2-box with tray, all welded steel construction, deep top compartment with cantilever tray, full extension ball bearing drawer slides, cantilever tray for small parts and tools. It's 20.2 by 8.8 by 11.8 high. Ball bearing slides, 2-year warranty. Picked it up for $49 at Home Depot. Actually, it was less than that with my discount, but let's check it out here. Gotta excuse the train there. Okay, nice metal construction. Has a spot for a padlock, which is just gonna tell everybody that you got good stuff in there, and they'll find it. Keep honest people honest, basically. The drawers are locked when the door is shut. So let's see what we got here. Inside here we just got the Mexican or Spanish and American Karen user guide. The drawers are removable if you want them to. So we got a nice little metal tray right here at the top. Main top compartment. And the drawers. Nice roller bearings. You can see that. They kind of, when they're in, they do lock in a sense. Nice little toolbox. Again, it's Home Depot, the 3-drawer HUSKY brand. $49 is retail. You can pick it up cheaper if you get a coupon. Look around, shop. Really good quality build. I'm glad I got it. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you can, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.